girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I'm having fun with a cool song, The Black Keys. First time here on Growing Guitar, pretty sure about that. Fireman Ring That Bell. Very cool song. Before we go on with this song, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. Yes, it's called Gordy Guitar 6 Strings Ago. We're going to play classic songs there, and the main difference from this channel is you're going to learn a song from A to Z. I'm going to play a full song for you, full playthrough with chords shown on the screen. You just follow along and learn it. So if you want to support me here, it's fine. But even better, go and subscribe to my secondary YouTube channel and show me some love there. I really need support. So thank you so much. Now let's go into that Fireman song. And we're going to use a capo on third. Absolute best scenario for us. Easiest way to handle the song. So capo on third, and with that we're gonna learn 4 chords, or actually 3, but yeah, let's throw in the 4th as well. And the 4th, and why I'm talking about that, is the E. It's a little bit modification of E. So what I do here, I place a little bar on that A string and D string. That is pretty much what you need. You can go all the way down if you want to, but these strings are important. And we're going to also incorporate the open E string. So we're going to use mostly the first 3 strings from bass and down. Okay, so a short little bar on that second A and D, and that is the E. We're going to come back to how to handle it. That is the E, and then we also have the A. That goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the G as well, which is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally we have the B, which is a bar chord on the 2nd fret. You're gonna have this bar again, this time 5 strings from bottom up. You're gonna bar all these strings, 5 of them, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G, and 4th B. All right, so how to handle now the E string, and that is kind of the main melody theme here in the song. You're gonna play like this. Okay, that is 1 round. So what you do here is to hold that bar, and you're gonna play 2 times on the open E string. If you want, you can go all the way down to the D string as well to really get that bass rocky sound to it, but the main here is the open E string. So 2 times on that, and then you're gonna play and reach out to the 5th fret D string, and then 2nd fret D string. That's the reason for us having a bar. Okay, so with a little pinky, you're gonna reach out to the 5th D, and then 2nd D, and then you're gonna go the second half, which is the open E string again, and then comes this part. So what you're gonna do here is to play 5th D, and then you pull off to get the 2nd D in behind. I don't play that. I don't pick the 2nd D. I just pull off, get that, and then I picked finally the 2nd fret A. So a bar on that 2nd fret is really handy when it comes to this melody shaped thing going on here. So together, everything goes like this slowly. And in tempo. All right, so there we have the main thing here. Then we have 2 different versions of this. So the first version is to play A, and now we're gonna learn how to play the strumming. So grab the A, and you're gonna play down, 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 up. That is 1 string around. So down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that is how it starts. So A, 3 rounds of strumming, then G, 1, and then comes that E melody 8 times. So the first shape goes A3, G1, and E8. So like this. I mentioned 8 because if you just go with strumming, it's 8 times, but if you play the melody, it's only 4. So it's up to you. You can go with this E and play just on the bass strings 8 times. And that is the same as 4 times in melody when it comes to the timing, okay? So you go either strumming or melody with that E. That's the first version, A, G, and E. Then the second version is to play B, 2, A, 2, and again that E, 8 or melody 4. So B2, A2. Couldn't hold myself. I went back and forth between the two shapes, and that's it, my friends. The black keys. Fireman, ring that bell. And you can do that as well. You can hit that bell notification to get the new songs from Gruvgear Guitar as well. And again, don't forget Gruvgear Guitar 6 strings ago. Very important for me to get that channel growing. So I need your help. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Till next time, play tuned.